Today we are analyzing the USDJPY pair using my 2026 chart easy reader strategy. Date of analysis, March 10, 2026. Let's begin with the first rule of the strategy, which is identifying the trend direction. Looking at the Ichimoku scanner on the H4 timeframe, USDJPY is currently showing TKI. This means the pair is currently in a neutral or transition zone, where the market is deciding whether to continue the trend or reverse. According to the rules of my strategy, when a pair is in the TKI zone, we avoid rushing into trades and instead wait for confirmation from market structure. Now let's analyze the market structure using moving averages and Bollinger Bands. On the chart we can see that price recently dropped from a strong resistance area and is now approaching a support demand zone around 157.40 to 157.20. This area is important because it aligns with the moving average structure, where price is close to the 100 and 200 moving averages. These moving averages often act as dynamic support during trending markets. Next, we check the momentum confirmation in the lower panel. Here we can see that the red momentum line is starting to flatten, which means the bearish pressure is slowing down. When selling momentum weakens near a support zone, the market often prepares for a temporary bounce or retracement move. This creates a potential buy opportunity if price confirms support. However, because the Ichimoku scanner is still showing TKI, the strategy tells us to wait for confirmation before entering the trade. Now let's look at the possible trade scenarios. The first scenario is a buy setup if the support holds. For this setup, the ideal entry zone would be between 157.40 and 157.20. The stop loss should be placed below the structure at 156.80. The first take profit target is 158.20, which is the next resistance level. The second take profit target is 159 $, if the bullish momentum continues. Now let's consider the second scenario. If price breaks below the support at 157.20, this would indicate that sellers are gaining control again. In that case, a sell setup could appear. The sell entry would be below 157.20, with a stop loss around 157.80, and a possible target near 156.50. So according to the 2026 chart easy reader strategy, the correct action right now is to wait for confirmation at the support zone before entering the market. This approach prevents traders from entering too early and getting trapped in unnecessary pullbacks. If you want to learn the full chart easy reader strategy step by step, join my trading bot in the description. And for more Forex chart analysis and trading setups, follow Forex Strategy Factory.